Alongside the EOS R6V mirrorless camera, briefly highlighted last week, Canon has introduced the RF 20 to 50mm f4.ls USMPZ, its first full-frame RF L-series lens with an internal power zoom. This innovative lens is a natural partner for the EOS R6V and a game-changer for hybrid creators. The zoom ring operates as both a controlled, steady servo zoom while recording video and a manual zoom by wire for precise adjustments when capturing stills or filming. Covering a wider than standard 20 to 50mm focal range at a constant f4 maximum aperture. This lens is incredibly versatile, ideal for vlogging, interiors, and capturing epic views without changing lenses. The RF 20 to 50mm f4.ls USMPZ delivers exceptional L-series image quality, featuring UD lens elements, air sphere coating, and optically suppressed focus breathing. Weighing just 420 grams, it offers up to 6 stops of optical image stabilization, while its nano USM autofocus provides swift, silent, and accurate focusing, even down to 0.24 meters.
The UK government is reportedly preparing a green paper outlining plans to phase out and eventually switch off terrestrial television. According to The Telegraph, the move would depend on nationwide access to affordable superfast broadband and other supporting infrastructure. The consultation document is also expected to propose that broadcasters and broadband providers help support viewers through the transition. The idea of ending terrestrial TV broadcasts has circulated for years, although the government currently remains committed to the future of digital terrestrial television until 2035. Earlier this year, UK public service broadcasters were reportedly pushing back against government proposals to delay the terrestrial TV switch off. A government report titled Future of TV Distribution, published in November 2025, warned that around 5% of viewers, approximately 1.5 million people, could be left behind by the transition.
Skyline Communications, the company behind the Data-Miner XOps platform, the operating system for organizations with complex operational ecosystems, has announced a new integration between its platform and the Amazon Web Services Elemental Media Connect router. The integration brings broadcast-grade routing control and operational management to cloud-native live video workflows running on AWS. The solution enables broadcasters and content providers to manage live video routing across AWS global infrastructure through Data-Miner's unified operational interface. It combines the scalability and flexibility of cloud-native routing with control models and operational workflows that broadcast engineers already use in live production environments.
AMD has announced the availability of its recently introduced Ryzen 9 9950X 3D2 flagship desktop processor, designed for gamers, creators, and high-performance workstation users. Built on the Zen 5 architecture, the chip features 16 cores, 32 threads in AMD's first dual-chiplet 3D cache design, delivering a massive 192 megabytes of L3 cache. The processor reaches boost clock speeds of up to 5.6 GHz and supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0 and the AM5 platform. AMD says the new design improves gaming responsiveness while also boosting performance in demanding workloads such as rendering, AI processing, and video production. The Ryzen 9 9950X 3D2 carries a 200-watt TDP, making it the highest power Ryzen desktop processor to date and targeting enthusiast-class systems with advanced cooling solutions.
The organizers of the Menaki Brothers International Cinematographers Film Festival remind cinematographers and event guests that this year's edition will return to Bitola, North Macedonia, from September 19th to 25th, 2026. The Menaki Brothers Festival is the world's oldest event dedicated to cinematographers. It honors masters of image creation, awarding laureates across several categories. The very best receive the golden, silver, and bronze camera 300, depending on their achievements. The festival also recognizes lifetime achievements of motion picture trailblazers and cinematographers who have contributed to the development of the art form. It attracts both renowned directors of photography, many of them Oscar winners, and emerging talents taking their first steps in professional filmmaking. Film entry is now open, and submissions can be made via the festival website using the QR code displayed on your screen.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.